How to block people from seeing your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block people from seeing your Instagram story. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as story, live and location. So just select that option. And now here in this section, you will see the option labeled hide story and live from. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, you will see the list of all the peoples that you follow and is following you on Instagram. So from here, you can just select that particular person. And now here, once you have done selecting all the peoples, you can just tap on done. And here, once you do that, it will block that selected people from seeing your any live story or your story on your Instagram. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.